Before we begin, I have one question for you. Right now, wherever you are in the world, what country are you watching this from? And what time is it where you are? Take a moment and think about that, because what I'm about to share is not just for me or for someone else. It is for you, right where you are, at this exact moment in your life. You may feel stuck, frustrated, or like nothing is moving in your life. You may have prayed, hoped, and waited for a breakthrough, yet nothing seems to change. But what if I told you that the reason nothing has changed is not because Allah has forgotten you? It's because He is working on something far more important than your circumstances. He's working on your heart. And until your heart is ready, the life you've been praying for cannot reach you. By the time this video ends, you will understand why every delay, every closed door, every hardship was never against you, but for you. You will see your life differently, your heart will awaken, and you will finally understand the hidden wisdom behind every challenge. So take a moment, wherever you are, and pay attention to this message, because what I'm about to share could change everything about the way you see your journey forever. The heart is the gateway. Allah does not just change your life by giving you what you ask for. He starts with your heart. Your heart is like the soil where blessings are planted. If the soil is not ready, even the most beautiful seed can struggle to grow. Similarly, if your heart is not ready, the blessing you receive might bring confusion, worry, or even pain instead of happiness. Allah works quietly, in ways you cannot see. He softens your heart, shapes your intentions, and slowly prepares your soul. He teaches you patience, strengthens your trust, and opens your understanding. Every small change you feel inside, even if it seems invisible, is part of a bigger plan. A heart that is ready can accept life's gifts without fear. It can face challenges with calmness, embrace success without arrogance, and carry love, kindness, and gratitude naturally. When Allah changes your heart first, He is giving you the ability to fully enjoy what is coming, to handle it wisely, and to grow through it. Sometimes we are so focused on the blessing itself, on what we want to happen, that we forget that the heart must be ready first. The real preparation is not in making the circumstances perfect, but in making the heart perfect for what Allah is sending. A heart that trusts Him, that is patient, humble, and open, can turn every blessing into a true gift and every challenge into a lesson. Even when it feels like nothing is changing in your life, remember that the most important work is happening inside you. The quiet transformation of your heart is what will make all the difference. When your heart is ready, everything else falls into place effortlessly, and you are able to receive the life you prayed for with peace, gratitude, and joy. Forgiveness frees the soul. Forgiveness is one of the most powerful ways Allah works in your heart. It is not about the person who hurt you. It is about freeing your own soul. When someone wrongs you, it is natural to feel anger, pain, or even a desire for revenge. These feelings weigh down your heart and block the blessings that Allah wants to give you. The longer you hold on to resentment, the heavier your heart becomes, and the more difficult it is to move forward. Allah asks you to let go of these burdens because He wants to purify your heart. Forgiving does not mean you accept the wrong or that the action was okay. It does not mean you forget entirely. Forgiveness is a choice you make for yourself to release the grip of pain and anger and to open space for peace, mercy, and love in your soul. When you forgive, you allow your heart to heal. The chains of the past break, and you feel lighter. You stop carrying the weight of someone else's mistakes. And this lightness is what prepares your heart for the future. A heart that is free of grudges is ready to receive joy, success, love, and all the blessings Allah has waiting for you. Sometimes forgiveness is not easy. The wound may feel fresh, or the hurt may feel too deep. But even if it takes time, every small effort to let go is a step toward freedom. Allah knows your struggle, and He rewards the patience and sincerity of your heart. The more you practice forgiveness, the stronger and softer your heart becomes. You begin to notice that your anger loses its power, your pain begins to fade, and your perspective changes. Forgiveness also brings clarity. It allows you to see life from a higher perspective, to understand that not every hurt was meant to break you. Some were meant to teach you, some were meant to guide you closer to Allah, and some were meant to prepare your heart for something greater. By forgiving, you are not only releasing the past, but you are also opening your heart to the future, creating space for the blessings that are coming your way. A heart that holds grudges cannot fully receive what Allah wants to give. But a heart that forgives, a heart that chooses mercy over anger, love over hate, is a heart that is ready for the life Allah has planned. And once your heart reaches that state, every blessing you have prayed for becomes sweeter, every moment of joy becomes deeper, and every challenge becomes easier to face because your soul is no longer weighed down. Forgiveness is not just an act, it is a transformation. It frees your soul, softens your heart, and aligns your spirit with the mercy and wisdom of Allah. When your heart is free in this way, you are no longer a prisoner of the past. You are ready to embrace the present, to trust the future, and to receive life in the fullness Allah intended for you. Detachment precedes divine arrival. Sometimes what we hold on to the most is exactly what is keeping us from the blessings Allah wants to give. We cling to people, habits, routines, or even dreams that feel safe, familiar, or comfortable. We think that holding on tightly will protect us, but in reality, it can block the flow of what is truly meant for our lives. Allah often begins by teaching the heart to let go, because detachment is the key to receiving something greater. This detachment is not always easy. Letting go of something or someone you love, or even a comfort you are used to, can feel like loss. It can bring fear, sadness, and doubt. You may question why this is happening, why things are being taken away, or why your prayers are not answered yet. But what you are losing is not punishment, it is preparation. Allah is clearing the space in your heart and your life so that what comes next will have room to grow, thrive, and flourish. When your heart begins to let go, you start to see that holding too tightly is actually a form of bondage. You may have thought you were protecting yourself, but in truth, your grip was keeping the new blessing from arriving. Detachment does not mean you stop caring or stop loving. It means you trust Allah more than you trust your own control. It means believing that He knows exactly what is best for you, even when it doesn't make sense in the moment. Every time you release something that is not meant for you, you are making space for what is. Your heart becomes lighter, more open, and more flexible. You begin to notice a sense of calm and freedom, even if your circumstances haven't changed yet. This inner space is where new opportunities, new relationships, new blessings, and new joys can enter. It is a silent work of preparation, and it is one of the most beautiful transformations you can experience. Detachment also teaches trust. It teaches you to stop relying on what you can hold or control and to start relying fully on Allah. It allows your heart to move from fear to faith, from anxiety to certainty, from grasping to receiving. And when the heart is ready in this way, the blessings arrive effortlessly. What comes is not just what you wanted, but exactly what you need, in the perfect time, in the perfect way. The process may feel uncomfortable at first. You may not understand why things are being taken away. You may feel loss, emptiness, or even loneliness. But these moments are shaping your heart to recognize and appreciate what is truly valuable. What Allah is preparing for you is greater than what you are letting go of, and it will only be fully enjoyed when your heart is ready to receive it, without attachment, without fear, and with full trust. In the end, detachment is not about giving up. It is about making room for mercy, room for growth, room for the life Allah has planned. When you let go of what is not yours, you are not losing, you are preparing. And when the time comes, the blessings will arrive in ways that exceed every expectation because your heart has been trained to receive them with gratitude, peace, and readiness. Trials shape the heart. Life does not always go the way we plan. Sometimes, no matter how much we pray, hope, or work, we face challenges, setbacks, and hardships. These moments can feel overwhelming, unfair, and even unbearable. But every trial has a purpose. Allah uses difficulties to shape the heart, to prepare it for something greater, and to guide us toward the life He has planned. Trials are not punishments, they are lessons, they are opportunities for growth, strength, and transformation. When we encounter hardship, it can feel like the world is against us, but in reality, Allah is quietly teaching our hearts resilience, patience, and trust. Every difficulty removes what does not belong to us and strengthens what does. Every struggle shapes the way we respond, think, and feel. When a heart faces a trial with faith, it learns to rely on Allah more deeply. It learns that happiness is not found in ease and that peace is not found in comfort alone. The heart that has been tested becomes stronger, wiser, and more compassionate. It begins to understand that life's difficulties are not meant to break us, but to refine us, just as fire purifies gold. The process of facing challenges can be uncomfortable. It can make us question our worth, our strength, and our path. But it is in these moments of discomfort that true growth occurs. The heart begins to let go of expectations, pride, and control, and instead learns trust, humility, and surrender. It learns to see that every hardship carries a hidden blessing, even if it is invisible at the moment. Trials also teach perspective. When we experience difficulty, we begin to appreciate what we once took for granted. Simple joys, kind words, and small victories take on greater meaning. The heart becomes grateful not only for the blessings it receives, but for the strength gained through struggle. It begins to see life as a series of lessons, each one designed to shape it into the person capable of receiving the best that Allah has planned. No challenge is wasted. Even when it feels unbearable, even when we do not understand, Allah is using every trial to mold the heart, to soften it, to strengthen it, and to prepare it for the future. When the heart is ready, it can embrace joy without fear, accept love without doubt, and face the world with confidence. What once felt like pain becomes a source of wisdom, courage, and inner peace. The heart that has been shaped by trials does not fear change. It does not cling desperately to comfort. It has learned that Allah's plan is always wiser than our own. It has learned patience, resilience, and trust. And when the blessings finally arrive, they are not just gifts, they are the perfect fulfillment for a heart that has been carefully prepared to receive them. In the end, trials are not obstacles, they are teachers. They are the hands that mold your heart into a vessel capable of carrying joy, love, peace, and the life Allah has destined for you. Every challenge is a step closer to the heart and life you are meant to have, and every struggle carries a hidden blessing waiting to reveal itself when the time is right. Humility prepares the heart for greatness. True greatness begins in the heart. Allah often works quietly to remove pride, arrogance, and self-centeredness from our hearts before granting us the blessings and responsibilities we seek. Humility is not weakness, it is strength. It is the ability to see ourselves clearly, to recognize our limitations, and to rely fully on Allah instead of our own understanding or control. When a heart becomes humble, it becomes soft, open, and receptive. It no longer resists change or clings desperately to comfort. It can accept guidance, wisdom, and opportunities with gratitude instead of fear. A humble heart is free from comparison, envy, and the endless desire to prove itself. It is a heart that trusts Allah completely and knows that everything in life, every challenge, and every blessing is part of a perfect plan. Sometimes Allah allows experiences that humble us. He may place us in situations where our knowledge, wealth, status, or abilities are not enough. These moments are not meant to make us feel small or unworthy. They are meant to teach us dependence, trust, and perspective. A heart that learns humility through these experiences becomes capable of handling greater responsibilities and greater blessings. It is no longer easily shaken by setbacks, and it does not take success for granted. Humility also brings clarity. It allows us to see the value of patience, kindness, and gratitude. When pride fades, we begin to understand the needs of others, to empathize with their struggles, and to act with compassion. A heart that is humble is not only ready for blessings, but also ready to use them wisely, to help others, and to grow spiritually. The journey to humility is not always easy. Pride often disguises itself as confidence, self assurance, or even ambition. Letting go of ego can feel uncomfortable because it challenges the way we see ourselves and our place in the world. But Allah knows that true greatness can only be carried by a heart that is gentle, soft, and willing to submit. A humble heart does not demand recognition or validation. It does not compete or compare. It is satisfied with knowing that Allah sees, knows, and guides every step. When your heart reaches this state, every blessing that comes to you is appreciated fully. Every opportunity is used wisely. Every challenge is met with patience and resilience. The heart becomes a perfect vessel for the life Allah has planned. When Allah changes the heart through humility, He is preparing it for greatness that is lasting and meaningful. It is not the temporary success or fleeting recognition that matters, but the inner strength, peace, and clarity that allow you to live fully, love deeply, and trust completely. A heart that has been humbled by Allah is ready to embrace the full beauty of life and all the blessings that follow. Humility transforms the heart from one that fears failure or desires control into one that is secure, patient, and trusting. It allows the heart to receive not just what is easy, but what is right. It creates the space for wisdom, for mercy, for understanding, and for the deep, lasting joy that comes from living in alignment with Allah's plan. When the heart is humble, greatness comes not through pride or force, but through readiness, openness, and trust. Patience in invisible work. Sometimes the most important work in your life is happening in ways you cannot see. You pray, you hope, you strive, yet it feels like nothing is changing. You look at your circumstances, your goals, your relationships, and you wonder if your efforts are in vain. This is where patience becomes the most powerful tool in your heart. Allah is always working, even when the change is invisible, and the heart that can wait faithfully is the heart that will receive the greatest blessings. Patience is not just waiting for things to happen. It is trusting that every moment, every challenge, every delay is part of a perfect plan. It is knowing that what you see is not all there is, and that the unseen work Allah is doing in your heart is preparing you for everything that is yet to come. Sometimes the heart must change before the life changes. Sometimes you are being refined, strengthened, and shaped for blessings that are bigger than anything you have imagined. The invisible work may feel slow or even frustrating. You may feel like you are standing in one place while life moves on around you. But every small change inside, every moment you choose patience over frustration, faith over doubt, gratitude over complaining, is a step toward the life Allah is preparing for you. Your heart is learning endurance, your soul is learning resilience, and your spirit is learning trust. Patience also teaches perspective. It allows you to see that delay is not denial, that struggle is not punishment, and that waiting is not wasted. The heart that practices patience begins to understand that timing is everything. Blessings that come too soon can be overwhelming, while blessings that come after preparation are received with gratitude, joy, and wisdom. Every delay, every trial, every quiet moment of waiting is an opportunity for your heart to grow stronger and softer at the same time. When patience becomes a habit of the heart, you notice subtle shifts in yourself. You respond to life with calmness instead of anger. You make decisions with clarity instead of haste. You handle challenges with confidence instead of fear. And in this process, the life that Allah has been preparing for you begins to align with the person you are becoming inside. The heart that has learned patience in invisible work does not complain about the unseen, does not panic about the unknown, and does not give up when results are delayed. It trusts the wisdom of Allah completely. It knows that the unseen work is more important than anything visible, because it prepares the soul to receive what it truly deserves. When patience and trust meet, The heart is ready for life's blessings, and the world begins to unfold in a way that feels effortless and perfect. Even when it feels like nothing is changing, remember that patience is shaping your inner world. Every moment you endure with trust and faith is creating the conditions for your prayers to be answered fully, deeply, and beautifully. The visible blessings follow the invisible work. The life you dream of cannot arrive until your heart is ready to handle it, cherish it, and grow through it. And the heart that can wait with patience will find that everything comes at exactly the right time, in exactly the right way, and with exactly the perfect fullness. Gratitude is the sign of a changed heart. When Allah begins to change your heart, the way you see life changes too. Gratitude is one of the clearest signs that your heart is transforming. You begin to notice things that once seemed ordinary or even insignificant, moments of beauty, acts of kindness, the warmth of a smile, the comfort of home. These small blessings, when recognized and appreciated, become a source of immense joy and peace. A heart that has learned gratitude no longer complains about what it lacks. It no longer measures happiness by what is missing or compares its life to others. Instead, it sees the goodness that is already present and finds contentment in it. Gratitude softens the heart and opens the soul to receive even greater blessings. The more you recognize and thank Allah for the little things, the more prepared you are to receive the big things. Gratitude also shifts perspective. Challenges that once felt heavy begin to teach lessons. Mistakes and setbacks are no longer sources of frustration, but opportunities for growth and understanding. The heart begins to see that every moment, whether easy or difficult, carries a purpose and a blessing. Gratitude helps the soul focus on abundance rather than scarcity, on hope rather than despair, and on trust rather than worry. When gratitude becomes a habit of the heart, it affects every part of your life. Relationships improve because you see the good in others. Work and effort become more fulfilling because you appreciate the opportunity to grow. Even in difficult moments, a grateful heart finds peace because it knows that nothing is wasted and that every experience is part of a greater plan. Sometimes the heart struggles to feel grateful, especially when life feels unfair or overwhelming. In those moments, gratitude is a choice. It is a conscious effort to notice even the smallest signs of goodness, a helping hand, a kind word, a moment of quiet, a breath of life. Each act of recognition strengthens the heart, softens resentment, and builds trust in Allah's wisdom. Gratitude also prepares the heart for more blessings. The soul that can fully appreciate what it already has is ready to receive what it has been asking for. Without gratitude, blessings can go unnoticed or unappreciated, and their full value is lost. But a heart that is grateful experiences life in its fullness. Every gift, every opportunity, every relationship, every moment becomes richer, deeper, and more meaningful. The transformation that comes with gratitude is subtle but powerful. It turns restlessness into peace, dissatisfaction into contentment, and worry into trust. It allows the heart to live fully in the present while keeping hope alive for the future. A grateful heart is a heart that is alive, awake, and connected to the blessings that surround it every single day. When Allah changes your heart toward gratitude, life itself feels different. Even ordinary days are filled with beauty, and ordinary moments carry meaning. Gratitude makes your heart sensitive to kindness, aware of love, and open to the guidance and mercy of Allah. It is a sign that your heart is no longer bound by want, fear, or restlessness. It is ready to receive, to grow, and to embrace the life Allah has been preparing for you. A changed heart sees life differently. When Allah changes your heart, the way you experience life changes completely. The same situations, the same people, and the same challenges that once felt heavy or discouraging now feel lighter, more manageable, and even meaningful. Life does not necessarily become easier, but your heart sees it with clarity, faith, and trust. The shift is subtle at first, but over time, it transforms your entire perspective. A heart that has been changed begins to notice opportunities where before it saw only obstacles. Closed doors no longer feel like rejection or failure. They are understood as redirections, guiding you to something better that was meant for you all along. Paths that once seemed lost now carry purpose. Every detour, every delay, every twist in your journey becomes part of a greater plan that your heart is finally ready to understand. The world also begins to feel more compassionate. When the heart has been softened and refined, it sees the struggles of others with empathy rather than judgment. Relationships improve, connections deepen, and interactions become more meaningful. You begin to understand that every person, every encounter, and every experience is part of a divine design, teaching patience, kindness, and perspective. A changed heart is no longer restless. It does not chase constantly after what is beyond reach or compare itself endlessly to others. Instead, it finds contentment in the present while keeping hope alive for the future. It recognizes that life is a mixture of trials and blessings, and it trusts that every moment is serving a purpose, even if it is not yet visible. When your heart changes, you begin to appreciate what once went unnoticed. A simple act of kindness, a moment of silence, a shared smile, these become sources of deep joy. Even small victories are celebrated, not taken for granted. The heart learns that happiness is not in having everything, but in seeing and valuing what is already present, and in trusting that what is coming is exactly what it needs. The transformation also brings resilience. Challenges no longer break you, because the heart now sees them as teachers rather than obstacles. Pain is no longer paralyzing. It becomes a guide that shapes your character, strengthens your spirit, and prepares you for what lies ahead. A changed heart embraces both joy and difficulty with balance, understanding that each moment contributes to its growth and readiness for the blessings of life. Finally, a changed heart experiences life with gratitude, trust, and clarity. It does not rush, it does not despair, and it does not cling anxiously to outcomes. It is present, aware, and patient. It sees life not as a series of random events, but as a carefully woven journey where every experience, whether joyful or painful, serves to prepare it for the fullness of blessings that Allah has in store. When the heart has been changed in this way, life feels fuller, richer, and more purposeful. What once caused confusion now inspires understanding. What once brought fear now brings trust. And when the blessings you have prayed for finally arrive, they are not just gifts, they are the perfect fulfillment for a heart that has been carefully prepared to receive them. A changed heart does not simply survive life, it thrives in it. It sees clearly, loves deeply, trusts completely, and embraces fully the beauty, wisdom, and mercy of Allah's plan. And this is the true miracle. When your heart changes first, your entire life begins to reflect that change in ways more profound than you could have ever imagined. Now, take a deep breath and reflect for a moment. Everything we've discussed today, the struggles, the delays, the challenges, and even the blessings you've already received, were never random. Allah has been working quietly on your heart, preparing it for the life you've been asking for. Every closed door, every moment of doubt, every hardship was shaping you, softening you, and opening your heart to receive what is truly meant for you. Remember this, your heart is the gateway. When your heart changes, everything else in your life begins to align effortlessly. Trust the process, trust yourself, and most importantly, trust Allah's timing, because He never delays what is right for you, and He never gives what is wrong for you. Carry this truth with you every day. Let it guide your thoughts, your actions, and the way you respond to life. Let it remind you that patience, gratitude, humility, and forgiveness are not just lessons, they are keys to unlocking the full blessings that have been waiting for you all along. So, wherever you are, whatever you're facing, know this. The life you have been praying for is closer than you think. The heart that trusts Allah will always find peace, clarity, and abundance. Your journey is not wasted. Your prayers are not ignored. And your breakthrough is coming exactly when it is meant to arrive. Keep your heart open, keep your trust alive, and watch as Allah transforms your life from within. Because when the heart changes, everything changes, and your best days are still ahead.